In this video, I will demonstrate the Excel fundamentals, arithmetic operation, sorting, and charting. First, I will open a Microsoft Excel and create a workbook. I will create the data which is column A and column B. In a column A, I input the different number. My example is my grade in my subject in pre-read. And in the column B is the name of my subject. Let's start to perform arithmetic operation, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To do addition, just add number in every column. You can do a formula in empty cell. Just equal sign A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10, and the total will come out. Next, to do a subtraction formula, in empty cell, just click equal sign A1 minus A2 minus A3 minus A4 minus A5 minus A6 minus A7 minus A8 minus A9 minus A10, and the total will come out. Next, the multiplication, like the addition and subtraction formula. In empty cell, just click equal sign A1 times A2 times A3 times A4 times A5 times A6 times A7 times A8 times A9 and times A10, and the total will come out. Next, the division formula. Just like the others, in empty cell, just click equal sign A1 divided by A2 divided by A3 divided by A4 divided by A5 divided by A6 divided by A7 divided by A8 divided by A9 divided by A10, and the total will come out. Next, sorting operation. To sort the column, just select all the column and find the sort and filter on the upper right and click it. Just click the sort A to Z to sort the column. Next, charting. To chart in Excel, I will example my example graph in 7 steps. Just select all the column and choose chart. The chart have a different chart, which is clustered column, stack column, cluster bar, scatter, stack bar, and more chart. But I choose cluster column. Next, you can add the title, and my title is my name, for example.